The first call after your car accident in Wheat Ridge should not be to your insurance company. It should be to someone who knows what the insurance company is about to do to you. That call came fast, didn't it? Before you even left the emergency room, they were asking for a recorded statement. Before you knew how badly you were hurt, or whether your car could be repaired, or what your medical bills were going to look like, they wanted your words on the record while you were still in shock. That is not an accident. That is strategy. Insurance companies move quickly after a crash because they know something you do not. The things you say in the first 48 hours will determine how much they pay, if they pay anything at all, and most people do not realize they just handed over every piece of leverage they had. If you were injured in an auto accident anywhere in Wheat Ridge or the surrounding Denver metro area, you need someone who knows how these cases actually work. McCormick and Murphy provides top-tier personal injury legal representation for clients throughout Colorado Springs, Pueblo, Denver, and Wheat Ridge. With over 75 years of combined legal experience, our firm includes former insurance defense attorneys who now fight exclusively for injury victims. Since 1995, we have recovered millions of dollars for our Colorado clients. What happens in the first 72 hours after a crash? Time moves differently after a collision. The police report, the tow truck, the shock wearing off, then the calls start. The other driver's insurance company contacts you within 24 to 48 hours. They sound helpful. They say they just need a quick statement to process your claim. They tell you this will speed things up. They might even offer you a settlement on the spot for your vehicle damage. Do not give them anything. That adjuster is not calling to help you. They are calling to lock you into a version of events before you have had time to understand what happened. Once you give that statement, it becomes the official record. If you say you feel fine because you are still in adrenaline mode and 3 days later you cannot turn your head, the insurance company will use your own words to deny your injury claim. Colorado law does not require you to give a recorded statement to the other driver's insurance company. You have no legal obligation to talk to them at all. Colorado uses a modified comparative negligence rule, meaning you can recover compensation even if you were partly at fault, as long as you were not more than 50% responsible. But the insurance company will do everything possible to push your fault percentage above that line. We know the roads, we know the law, and we know what a personal injury claim is actually worth when the insurance company stops pretending it cares about you. You are entitled to compensation for medical expenses, lost wages, future medical care, property damage, and pain and suffering. If you need expert legal support after an auto accident in Wheat Ridge, contact the experienced team at McCormick and Murphy. Call us today at 888-668-1182 or visit us online at McCormickMurphy.com.